Hello everybody. Welcome to today's journey. We are in DeForest, Wisconsin at Rude's Lanes. It's a bowling alley, it's a bar, but they also have food. So come check it out with us. Welcome to the Rude's Lanes arcade. There's a handful of games in here. They've got the stars on the wall, planets, the dark lights. It is really cool in here. Come check it out. So I got a burger with onion and lettuce and french fries. John got the 3-piece fried fish dinner with red potatoes.
Delicious batter. Those are good.
So whether you're in town and you just want a drink, if you want some food, or if you want to have some fun and go bowling, come check out Rude's Lanes in DeForest.